For the second scripture, we'll be reading from the New Testament, Hebrews 11 and verse 1. So for those with the Bible, it's Isaiah 40:28, and I will read. Do you not know? Have you not heard? The Lord is the everlasting God, the creator of the ends of the earth. He will not grow tired or weary, and his understanding no one can.
To Nyayo Stadium and prayed. And God gave us rains. Today, we have enough food in Kenya. It is amazing what God can do. Sometimes we may want to believe that maybe we did something. And maybe surely we did. Maybe we made fertilizer available. Maybe we made seeds available. Maybe we supported farmers. But that would have come to nothing if God had not given us rain.
The power of prayer has been significant and present in our lives, individually and collectively as a nation. President William Ruto and I were prayed into office by the people of Kenya, and our administration continues to thrive, arising from prayers from the people of Kenya. When we came into office, we had the worst drought in 40 years after 5 failed consecutive seasons. And through prayer, God gave us rains, indeed, beyond our fair share. Through prayer, we have now food security, and the country is moving in the right direction.
Mahoya Ma Bururi, President